Guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Sudhakar Reddy. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and see how you can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser. I'll open Google Chrome and search for Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Then see here, the first link will appear here and it will from code.visualstudio.com. Just click on this link. See here, the straight away we can see download button on the top and you can see download for Windows. You can select any of these two options. I will go for download for Windows. Just click. The download will get started here. Just wait a few minutes for downloading. It will take only a few minutes for downloading. You can see the download has been done here. Once this Visual Studio Code exe file is downloaded, just click on this one. Okay, just wait. I will show how it is. It will show some errors. Accept the, if you want to accept the agreement, you can click on here, accept the agreement. Click on next here. Okay, if you select the additional task, you can create the desktop icon, select and add open with code actions with Windows Explorer file content menu. You can select this also and click on next here and see this is the installation. Before this one, it will show the default location where Visual Studio Code will get installed in your operating system, but here doesn't show me. And you can click on install. Just wait. Just wait a few seconds. Visual Studio Code will get installing in your operating system. Here then you can have the start name folder, so I am going to leave it as a default and then click on next. Okay, the finish button will be there now. Just you can finish the click button. Okay, see, this is the first phase whenever we are going to install Visual Studio Code on your operating system. So if you want to open folder in Visual Studio Code, just go through File Explorer and open a, see, these are the options which will appear when you can open Visual Studio Code in your operating system. New file, open folder. I want to open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Just click on it. Okay, select any of the code, any of the file. Just I will select Python, select folder. See, okay, this icon shows the new folder and this icon show the new file. Just I want to create a new folder for your better understanding. That is Sudhakar. Sudhakar file name, and within a Sudhakar file name I will going to create new file, that is Pratap pratap.py. Okay, py is the extension of the Python. I will explain in details in coming videos. Okay, this is a demo for you people for understanding. Here is the page appear whatever you can type code in Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is how we are going to download and install Visual Studio Code on your laptop. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.